My name is Alan. In 2019, I finally reached a point in my life where I was going to buy a home. I started from scratch, and when the time finally came, I purchased a 1974 Airstream trade-wind. For the past year, I've been working on the remodel, starting from the frame, working my way up. And here we are, finally, at the vanity, where we're taking a look at butcher block countertops, the sink, and the faucet install. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for following along on my journey. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of B-roll as much as I did. Having to get creative with the content and how I'm shooting it. I'm a one-man operation. Typically I'm behind the camera on some of my other jobs, and I can have a little bit more control. So this definitely getting me out of my comfort zone and being more creative, getting a little bit more creative, and being in front of the camera is challenging. And so trying to tell a story without a bunch of words, vlogging style. And I don't know if this is the way the content will always be. Let me know in the comments section if it's something that you like, sort of chill, relax, meditation, B-roll type deal, and I might switch it up later, I don't know. So anyways, we're on day 3.5 or 4, probably 3.5, because it keeps sprinkling, and it's supposed to rain for like the next week here. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this set in. The finish turned out really nice on it. The Watco butcher block stuff. Only took the oil and finish. It only took one pass to get it to where I like it, and let it sit overnight, cure up, and then sanded it with 400 grit. And I'm going to put it in today, and we're going to see what the sink and the faucet look like. So I'm going to show y'all what that looks like, and let me know what you think about it. Alright YouTube, I hope you enjoyed that little video of the install. It's pretty simple, wasn't nothing crazy, but I think it turned out great. I'm pretty happy with it. It's been a long journey on this, and this is the first cabinet vanity that I built in this thing, so it took the longest, obviously, because I had to sort of get used to the material I was working with. And now that I've got the vision complete and I know how to do things, and I got the proper tools and all that, and hopefully the other ones will go a little smoother. But I'm glad you joined along with me, and if you could maybe subscribe to the channel, give this video a like. Feel free to share it with your friends, your RV friends, your people. A lot of people are watching this stuff, preparing mentally, financially. So just leave some comments on the post, and I'll be more than happy to answer whatever I can. Probably not going to put a lot of brands in there yet, or where I got them from. It's just I'm doing a lot of work right now, but if you specifically need to know something, just leave it in the comments section and I'll do what I can to help. Until next time, peace.